Hare Krishna everyone from Macedonia. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Look, my beautiful niece. Yes, I came 2 days ago to visit my parents and my family, and I posted, like, on the day when I was flying, I posted a short video asking where am I going, and 95% of the answers were Delhi, because many of you know that I'm visiting India weekly. Oh, I hope it was weekly, yearly, but this time I came to visit my parents after a year. And I'm planning to spend few weeks here and to cook for them, often some Indian preparations, and if they allow, film their reactions. I also plan to visit our ISKCON temple in Skopje, as well as show you a little bit around, and you can see how different is Macedonia from Switzerland. It's like day and night. So my mom's watching me anyway. Today I will make aloo paratha and one sabji. I know that my mom particularly loves very much aloo parathas and samosas, but samosa I'm gonna make another day. But first, before I start, I would like to show you their Laddu Gopal. Actually, the history of Laddu Gopal is that it belonged to my daughter, and in 2017, before we moved to Vrindavan, we came here, we spent few months, and then somehow inside I decided, within my heart, I felt that Laddu Gopal wants to stay here. And I think, and I believe 101%, I believe this is the only Laddu Gopal in Macedonia ever, and it belongs to my parents because we gifted them. So when my mom cooks sometimes some preparations that are bona fide to be offered to Krishna, she offers to them, as well as she gives him every morning fresh water. So actually I changed my plan. I will not make sabji and aloo paratha, but I will make dal and aloo paratha. I think it's a nice combination. And I'm now just cutting now the tomato for the tatka. And by the way, Macedonia is very famous for tomatoes. The Macedonian tomatoes are really very tasty. Unlike the imported tomatoes in Switzerland, they taste like plastic. And also Macedonia is famous for bell pepper and grapes and golden delicious apples. These 4 fruits and vegetables are really very tasty in this country. In summertime we have huge watermelons, but when I say huge, I really mean it like that, like as big as this. One watermelon can be easily 10 kgs. They are not very expensive and are super sweet and super tasty. You know, I want to show you, I brought some stuff with me from Switzerland because I know in Macedonia we don't find them. I got this vermicelli or sevian to make for them this sweet. They have never tried. I got some spices with me, like ground cardamom, and here's some more spices. Then I got poha. I will make one time for breakfast poha for them. And of course, I brought with me gulab jamun. This is my brother's favorite sweet. My parents have never tried, and I'm really excited to make gulab jamun, so also the kids from my niece and nephew can try them. I'm sure they will like. I've never met somebody who doesn't like gulab jamuns. And I brought also some dal to make khichdi and different preparations with dal, chana dal. Asafoetida is another spice that I don't find in Macedonia. So I brought that too because I like to use a saporitida since I don't use onion and garlic, and I think it's nice substitute. And I'm really so in ecstasy. I'm cooking lunch for my mom. She's behind there, and in the YouTube feeds are all the time coming recommendations, either kirtans. Now it's something about Shah Rukh Khan, and she's like so fascinated about India. I mean, she has always been, but now she's getting more and more. I'm so happy. Please, Krishna, please, dear friends, bless her. And she's listening in Hindi even though she doesn't understand anything. And all the time she's giving likes. Every video about India, anything India related, Hare Krishna related, she's just giving like. She's listening some Indian mantras now, Sanskrit mantras. The last paratha. And now because I don't have fresh coriander, you cannot buy in Macedonia fresh coriander, I'm making little jugaad khichdi. So this is fresh parsley. The taste will be different, but anyway, it's half Macedonian, half Indian khichdi. But it looks good. Another recommendation on my mom's YouTube feed. So she's like disabled the whole day long just to hear Hare Krishnas and watch videos about India. Yep.
Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopal Anandala, Krishna